came through. He came through.
Started that bitch up.
Yeah, alright. Yo, we got it started, yo. What's today's date? Today's the 21st. Yo, so after trial and error, I kind of felt today we were going to get it done. We got started. I had to do some, the fuel rail was, I had sent to get zinced out was compromised with rust and crust and all kinds of foul shit. I bypassed the damper and ran the fuel sending unit straight to the fuel rail, and then I disconnected one of the injectors so we could take off the pressure and the computer wouldn't cut us off. It ran rough idle, but it stood on, and that's all that matters. We'll tune later. I'm so happy that this thing finally got started. It was a process of elimination, getting it all together. Now I can sleep easy, ruled everything out, and now to tune it. See you back soon.